Jason, kumusta? By the way, I would like to greet you a happy 40th birthday and may you continue to be a blessing to the family. I admire your being a family man. I really admire your how you love your family, how you care your family, not only family and also your friends. And keep going and stay healthy. Always keep that in mind that health is wealth. I know that inaalagaan mo yan at sana patuloy mong pagbutihin ang trabaho mo at pagbutihin ang sports mo. I wish and pray for good health not only for you but for the rest or for the whole of your family. Once again, happy 40th birthday to my idol sa basketball, idol sa kaibigan. Salamat sa lahat and wish you the best. Happy birthday, my friend.
Boss Jason, Engineer Jason, happy birthday. Welcome to the club. Tagal na natin hindi nakakatagay kaya tatagay tayo ngayon. Parang nung nasa Dubai lang tayo eh. One for you, one for me. Tas bukas papasok ulit. Happy birthday. Tamis. Happy birthday.
Pare Jason, happy birthday. Lagi ka mag-iingat. Ngayong nasa 40 ka na, lagi mong iisipin yung healthy mo at happiness ng pamilya mo. Yun lang. Ingat kayo dyan. Happy birthday ulit, pre.
Parang Jason, happy birthday. Sana ay pagpalaan ka pa ng buong may kapalat ang iyong buong pamilya. Salamat nga pala sa ating mga pinagsamahan nung ako'y nandiyan pa. Ayun, happy birthday. God bless.
Hi Jason, happy birthday. Sana marami pang birthday ang dumating sa buhay mo. Ingat kayo dyan palagi. More blessings to your family. God bless.
Hello Jason, maligayang kaarawan. Nawa ay bigyan ka pa ng poong may kapal na mahabang buhay at malakas at malusog na pangangatawan. Ingat kayo palagi dyan. Bye!
Happy birthday, Brad! Oh, 40 ka na. Life begins at 40, sabi. Enjoy every day with your family. God bless always. Ingat!
Jason. Very good.
Happy Happy birthday, Tito Jason! Hi, Juliana and Julia.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
40 na tayo. Keep bowling. Keep fishing. Happy birthday! I miss you, mama.
Happy birthday, Jason. Enjoy your birthday, huh?
Happy birthday, Tito Bogi. Enjoy your day. Love you and miss you.
Happy birthday, Tito Bogi. May all your wishes come true.
Happy birthday, Jason. Stay pogi daw, sabi ng mga pamangkin mo. Enjoy your day. Happy birthday. God bless you and your family, okay? Enjoy.
Hello ba Jason? Hindi ko alam kung bakit pag kami mga surprise na ganito, nadadamay ako palagi. Kahirap-hirap naman gumawa ng mga ganitong surprise video. Well, anyway, masaya ako para sa iyo, para sa pamilya mo. Happy 40th birthday bayaw. Like it's been a long time. It's been a long time na naalala ko pa na magnobya pa lang kayo ni Marisa na wala kaming sinabi kundi tapusin muna ang pag-aaral at it happened. So I'm so proud of you. So ang masasabi ko lang, I wish you more many years to come. ingatan ng kalusugan, bayaw. Ingatan ng kalusugan at every day counts in our life. Bawat umagang darating, pagpasalamat natin dahil it's a blessing really. Wish ko lang na magpatuloy at makamit mo pa yung kung anong bithiin mo sa buhay, sa hinaharap, dahil sabi nga ay life begins at 40. Engineer Jason Takad, I'm so proud of you again. At para naman sa pagiging ama, maraming salamat sa pag-suporta sa aking mga pamangkin, sa pagbuhay sa pamilya ng napakalinis na pamamaraan at marangal na pamamaraan, pagsasakripisyo at pagtataguyod ng taus-puso at walang eka nga ay pag-aalinlangan. Sana dumating ang panahon na magkasama-sama tayo para makapag-celebrate man lang ng mga kasiyahan kagaya nito. Ulitin ko bayaw, maraming salamat at God bless you. God bless you and enjoy your special day. Enjoy your very special day with your family, with your loved ones. I wish ko maraming pa sanang birthday dahil maraming taong nagmamahal sa iyo. Napakarami bayaw. Ingatan ng kalusugan bayaw. Happy birthday ulit. Happy birthday.
Jason, happy birthday te. Enjoy your day and God bless you always and your family.
Jason, happy 40th birthday te.
Happy birthday po, Tito Jason.
Happy birthday, Jason. Hatagay tayo. Go.
Happy birthday, Tito Jason.
Happy birthday, Jason. Happy birthday. Happy 40th birthday.
Ingat lagi.
Ingat lagi. Enjoy your day. Miss you all.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Surprise! Happy birthday, Kuya! Thank you for everything. God bless you. I love you so much. We love you, Tito. Kamo.
We love you.
Happy birthday to you.
Tito Pogi.
Happy birthday to you.
Take care. Enjoy your day with your beautiful family. See you soon.
Hi, Tol. Happy 40th birthday. Sorry, na-miss ko yung birthday mo. Bawi na lang ulit sa susunod. Love you.
Ako na magbilang. 1, 2, 3, go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Kuya. We love you. God bless you.